I go to work every day.
I go to bed early.
Let's go now.
Where did you go yesterday?
I have to go.
We're going to the park.
I don't want to go.
Just go. You'll be late.
Come here.
I'm coming.
Can you come tomorrow?
He didn't come to the party.
Come with me.
What time will you come?
She just came home.
Come on, we're leaving.
I walk to school.
Let's walk instead of driving.
I walked for an hour today.
Can you walk faster?
We walked around the city.
I like to walk after dinner.
My feet hurt from walking. I run every morning.
Run, we're late.
He runs really fast.
I ran to catch the bus.
Let's go for a run.
I can't run anymore. I'm tired.
She runs 5 miles a day. Please sit down.
I've been sitting all day.
Sit here with me.
We sat and talked for hours.
Can I sit next to you?
My back hurts from sitting.
Let's sit outside today.
I sat in traffic for an hour.
Please stand up.
I've been standing for an hour.
Stand here, please.
We stood in line all morning.
I can't stand any longer.
She stood by the door.
Stand still for a second. I need more sleep.
I didn't sleep well last night.
You should sleep earlier.
I can't sleep at night.
Let's sleep in this weekend.
The baby is sleeping now.
I slept for 10 hours.
I feel sleepy. I need to sleep.
I woke up late today.
Wake up, it's morning.
I wake up at 6 every day.
I can't wake up early.
She just woke up.
Wake up, you'll be late for work.
I woke up feeling tired. I need to eat something.
Have you eaten yet?
Let's eat together.
I already ate breakfast.
What do you want to eat?
I ate too much last night.
We should eat healthy food.
I forgot to eat lunch.
I need to drink some water.
Drink more water every day.
What do you want to drink?
I drank too much coffee today.
Let's drink something cold.
I forgot to drink water.
She drinks tea every morning. What did you say?
I said I was sorry.
Say that again, please.
He didn't say anything.
I don't know what to say.
She said she was busy.
Just say what you think.
I said the wrong thing.
Tell me what happened.
I told you already.
Can you tell me the truth?
She told me a secret.
I need to tell you something.
Don't tell anyone.
He told me to wait here.
I forgot to tell you.
Can I ask you a question?
I asked him yesterday.
You should ask for help.
She asked me to come.
I forgot to ask.
Just ask if you're not sure.
He asked about you.
I have a lot of questions.
Please answer the question.
I don't know the answer.
Can you answer the phone?
She didn't answer my call.
I'll call you back later.
He answered every question.
I need to answer this email. Can we talk for a minute?
I need to talk to you.
We talked for hours.
Let's talk about this later.
She talks too fast.
I talked to my mom today.
We should talk in person.
I don't want to talk about it.
Do you speak English?
I speak a little Korean.
Can you speak more slowly?
She speaks 3 languages.
I want to speak more confidently.
He spoke to me yesterday.
I'm afraid to speak in English. Listen to me.
I'm listening.
Please listen carefully.
I didn't listen to the news today.
Are you listening?
I love listening to music.
He never listens to me.
Listen, I have something to say.
Call me later.
I missed your call.
I need to call my mom.
She called me this morning.
Can you call the doctor?
I forgot to call you back.
Let's call it a day.
Let's stop working for today.
He calls every weekend. I have a question.
I don't have time.
Do you have a pen?
We had a good day.
I need to go now.
She has 2 kids.
I don't have any money.
We had so much fun.
I need to buy some food.
I bought a new phone.
What did you buy?
Let's buy something for her.
I can't afford to buy that.
She buys coffee every morning.
I forgot to buy milk. I want to sell my car.
They sell fresh bread here.
Did you sell your house?
We sold it last month.
This store sells everything.
I sold my old phone online.
I don't want to sell it. Bring an umbrella today.
I forgot to bring my keys.
Can you bring some snacks?
She brought her friend along.
I'll bring the food.
Bring your ID with you.
I brought too much stuff. I can't carry all of this.
I'm carrying too many things.
Let me carry that for you.
She carried the boxes upstairs.
I can't carry all of this.
He always carries an umbrella.
I carried my bag all day. I lost my phone.
Don't lose your keys.
I always lose things.
We lost the game.
I don't want to lose you.
She lost her wallet yesterday.
I lost track of time.
I didn't notice the time.
I hate losing. I don't know.
Do you know him?
I know how you feel.
I understand your feelings too.
She knows a lot about it.
I didn't know that.
You never know.
I know the answer.
What do you think?
I think you're right.
I don't think so.
Let me think about it.
I was thinking about you.
I think it's a good idea.
I need time to think.
I never thought about that.
Do you remember me?
I remember that day.
I can't remember his name.
Please remember to call me.
I still remember our trip.
I don't remember much.
Try to remember. I forgot my phone.
Don't forget your keys.
I always forget things.
I forgot to call her.
Please don't forget me.
I forgot what I was saying.
I forgot her birthday.
I'll never forget this.
I don't understand.
Do you understand me?
I finally understand.
She doesn't understand English well.
I understand how you feel.
Can you help me understand this?
I understood everything you said. I don't believe it.
Believe me, it's true.
I believe you.
She doesn't believe me.
I can't believe this happened.
I believe in you.
I know you can do it.
Do you believe in luck?
I love this song.
I love you.
She loves her job.
I love this weather.
We love spending time together.
I really love this place.
He loves to cook. I hate waiting.
I hate Mondays.
I hate being late.
I don't hate him. I'm just upset.
I hate this weather.
He hates spicy food.
I hate to say this, but you're wrong.
I'm sorry, but that's not correct.
What are you doing?
I did my homework.
I have a lot to do.
Did you do it already?
Let's do this together.
I don't know what to do.
She did a great job.
I'll do my best.
I made dinner tonight.
Let's make a plan.
This makes me happy.
I need to make a decision.
She made a mistake.
I'm making coffee.
That made my day.
That made me really happy.
I made a promise. I work every day.
This isn't working.
I have to work late tonight.
Where do you work?
We worked really hard today.
I love my work.
Let's work on this together.
My plan worked perfectly.
Can you help me?
I need some help.
Let me help you.
She helped me a lot.
I'm happy to help.
Thanks for helping me.
I don't know how to help.
We should help each other.
Just try it.
I tried my best.
Let's try again.
I'm trying to understand.
She tried really hard.
I'll try to be there.
We should try something new.
I tried, but I failed.
I'm trying to learn English.
I learned a lot today.
It's never too late to learn.
I want to learn more.
She learns really fast.
I learned from my mistake.
Let's learn together. Can you teach me?
She teaches English.
I taught myself this.
He teaches at a school.
I want to teach my kids this.
She taught me everything I know.
Teach me how to do this. I need to study tonight.
I studied for the exam.
What are you studying?
She studies really hard.
I don't have time to study.
Let's study together.
I studied all night. I see what you mean.
I understand now.
Did you see that?
I want to see you soon.
I saw her yesterday.
Let's see what happens.
I can't see anything.
Nice to see you.
Look at this.
You look tired.
I'm looking for my keys.
Look over there.
She looks happy today.
I looked everywhere for it.
Just look at me.
This looks really good.
Let's watch a movie.
Let's watch a movie.
I watch TV all day.
Watch out.
I like watching the sunset. We watch the whole game.
I'm watching something right now.
Watch me do this. I can't find my phone.
I found it.
Help me find my keys.
I found a great place.
Did you find what you needed?
I finally found the answer.
I can't find it anywhere.
We found a good deal.
Can you show me?
Let me show you something.
She showed me the photos.
I'll show you the way.
I'll show you the way. Show me what you have.
He showed up late.
He arrived late again.
I want to show you my city.
I am so tired.
Where are you?
I was busy yesterday.
We are here.
I'm not sure.
Be careful.
I've been here before.
I'll be there soon.
I live in Seoul.
Where do you live?
I've lived here for years.
I've lived here a long time.
She lives alone.
We live close to each other.
I love where I live.
I want to live somewhere new.
Let's stay home tonight.
I stayed up late.
Can you stay a little longer?
I stayed at a nice hotel.
Stay here with me.
We stayed up all night talking.
I want to stay a bit more.
Please stay safe.
I want to become a teacher.
It's becoming colder.
She became a doctor.
This is becoming a problem.
I became really tired.
We became good friends.
I want to become better at this. Wait for me.
I've been waiting for an hour.
Please wait here.
I can't wait any longer.
We waited in line for a while.
I'm waiting for your call.
Let's wait and see.
Let's just wait for now.
I hate waiting.